This is the Bentley Continental GT S, the more driver-focused, more exciting version of the Continental GT. In this video, we're going to take a little bit of a walk and talk around the exterior, the interior, before taking it out onto the road to see what it's like. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and let's dive straight in. The Continental GT S uses the 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 and the hybrid battery system as the rest of the Continental range. Only in the S it produces 671 brake horsepower and 930 Nm of torque, which means that 0 to 62 is dealt with in around 3.3 seconds, and it'll go on to a top speed of over 190 miles an hour. So we'll start our look at the exterior of this car here at the front end, which is very Bentley Continental GT. Now, not so long ago it had a little bit of a facelift with this brand new shape Continental, which changed the front lights quite a bit. It's gone from those big 4 lights at the front to these tiger eye lights with this almost eyebrow across the top. They are really, really cool. Now S, what does S get you? Well, S as standard gets you the black pack on here. You'll notice that this car also has the carbon fiber upgrade package as well, which gives you this carbon fiber splitter here and several other bits which we'll touch on in a minute. Obviously Continental GT has this large grille here, which is just a staple of the Bentley lineup, with the black badge up here, obviously part of the S. Along the side it's very traditional Continental GT with the big Bentley haunches here. Now S gets the S designation up here, of course the gloss black elements as well, but as I've mentioned, this car has the carbon fiber package as well, which gives you this carbon wing mirrors and the carbon fiber side skirts along here. This car's sat on 22-inch alloy wheels, both front and rear, and we need to mention this colour because it is absolutely stunning. This is Kingfisher, this really deep metallic blue, and on a sunny day like this it looks outstanding. At the rear, it's very recognisable as a Continental GT, just with a few changes for this newer generation. The electronically folding boot lid spoiler has gone, and that's because this is shaped much more aerodynamically efficient, so it doesn't need that rear wing that pops up. We've got these new lights down here, this more crystal effect in here. Again, S gets as standard the gloss black, which is the Bentley badge here and the writing here. This car again has the carbon fiber package, so this big rear diffuser here finished in carbon fiber. This car also has the optional Akrapovic exhaust system, which sounds absolutely incredible. You press the B in the Bentley wings, it opens up to reveal 260 litres of boot space in here, with an electronically folding tailgate as standard. I feel that the inside of a Bentley should always feel like an occasion. It should always feel special the second you jump in, and this GTS, absolutely no exception to that. It is a truly beautiful place to sit. Every single time I jump inside a Bentley, I'm just left in awe at this interior. So first things first, we've got this fantastic Alcantara covered steering wheel directly in front of me with still clicky buttons. All of the stalks here behind the steering wheel for your lights, for your cruise control, for your indicators feel so lovely and so expensive. This car has the carbon fiber trim throughout as well, which is beautiful. There is S designation up on the dashboard and in the headrests of the seats. These seats are incredibly supportive, really lovely to sit in. They are heated and ventilated and also have massage function. You then still have Bentley's fabulous rotating screen in the center here, although now you can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on there. It is a beautiful place to sit. The clock down here, these little stalks here to control the air conditioning. Everything you touch and feel is tactile and feels really incredible high quality. But that's enough of that. Let's now get this car started, head out onto the road and see what it's like to drive. So welcome then to the driver's seat of the Bentley Continental GT S. Now, as we've already mentioned, the S is supposed to be the slightly more sporty, the more driver-focused variant in the Continental lineup. And well, before we talk about how it drives, let's just recap some of those figures. So we've got a 4-litre V8 up front with a hybrid powertrain, producing up to 671 brake horsepower and 930 newton meters of torque. 0 to 60 is dealt with in just 3.3 seconds, and we've got a top speed over 190 miles an hour. But for me, those figures aren't really the thing that I'm intrigued about with this car. It's how it feels on the road. First things first, let's start with the comfort. There is just something so incredible about a Continental GT. The way that a car like this is so comfortable and just so good at dealing with some of the, let's be honest, terrible roads that we have here in the UK. The way that it just deals with potholes, undulations, crests, dips, bumps is nothing short of incredible. And it does this through several different technologies. So we've got Bentley's fantastic 48-volt anti-roll system. We've got Bentley's fabulous dynamic chassis as well. We've got rear wheel steer and a few other things. But when all of those are working together, any road, any conditions, this car can do it, and can do it with confidence that is just exceptional. It's absolutely exceptional the way this car just devours miles over any road conditions. But of course this is the S. So what we want to do is go down here, pop it into sport, put the gearbox into manual, and now this car has the Akrapovic exhaust system as well. So what that means is it sounds as good as the performance is strong. The way this car picks up its feet in any gear, any revs, any conditions is incredible. This of course is a big heavy car. It's a big long distance super GT, but the way that it picks up its feet and the way that it sounds is incredible. I keep coming back to the noise. It's 2026 and this car still sounds like this. It adds so much character to it. That for me is something that the Continental GT, this new shape, and pretty much every Continental I've ever driven, really has. It's oozing with character. It does your soft, long distance cruises just incredibly well, but then at the switch of a button, it truly does completely change its personality. It goes from being that long distance cruiser after a hard day in the office to an absolute riot. It is so quick, it is so capable across the ground. You don't get the feeling like you do with some really fast cars that all it wants to do is spit you off into the side. It doesn't, it flatters you. All of those fabulous Bentley systems come together to create just this impeccable driving machine that does everything, absolutely everything. And I genuinely think you can enjoy this car all year round in all conditions. That just all-wheel drive system, the rear wheel steering, it means that it's not an intimidating car to enjoy. Even though it is ferociously fast, it's not intimidating. And that for me, I think, is an incredible thing that Bentley pulls off with every single car that it makes. And if you want any more information on the brand new Bentley Continental GT S, or any other Bentley for that matter, please contact the team at Bentley Manchester. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for plenty more content to come, and I will see you guys again very, very soon.